welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? Y'all, are y'all ready? This is day one of the countdown to New Year's 6-day videos. How y'all liking them? Well, it's the first one. I mean, y'all ain't even seen the rest yet, but you know what it is. It is what it is. So as you guys can see by the title, your girl is doing her 2021 goals. Yes, sis, come through. Okay, we are getting it together. And this year I decided a vision board, something in my face, you know, that I can't just walk by, close the book, not see, like something right here next to me, like palm to face, baby, so I can see what is happening. I decided that is what I wanted to do for my 2021. And so that's why I decided on a vision board. So y'all, all items will be listed down in the description box if you are trying to figure out what your girl used. I'm be telling y'all a little tea on how I came up with my goals for 2021. But little baby, okay, if you need to know where I got this or where you could possibly find this, check the description box down below. Okay, y'all, so just to let y'all know, this vision board, the way I'm putting it on the board, they're in no particular order. I do have my 1 to 10 list, yes, but how they're going on the board is just how they're going on the board. So, but I will be talking about each item and why I chose it. Ooh, y'all see that new been queen though? She fire, ain't she? Yes, first sticker down, period. So guys, no, so for this one was in relation to my mental health and personal well-being. If you guys have watched my November budget, then you guys can see how like I had a whole breakdown. And then also with 2020, between, you know, little Roro and being inside, even though I'm a homebody, and also, you know, with the racial tension that has happened this entire year, add on to that like my childhood abuse, like it was just so much. And you know, you have to deal with those, you can't just put them to the side. So my mental and personal health was something very important to me for the year of 2021. Not 2020, 2021, sis. Anyways, so the next thing that went on the board was decorating my apartment. I know guys, I'm behind on this, but it's okay. Yeah, so I decided to put stuff that reflects decorating an apartment because I've moved so many times. I think I counted the other day and it was like 10 times I've moved in my entire life. Bear in mind guys, I'm 25. So that includes childhood moving, and I've never actually decorated my apartment or room because like I just knew I'm gonna be moving again, so what's the point? So for next year, I'm making a deliberate purpose to decorate my room or my house or my apartment, whatever it is, to decorate my home and make it a home. Next on the list is one of your girls' faves, okay? Point blank, period, YouTube. So on the vision board, I have 5K subscribers. I know, right? I didn't make it to 1,000, but here's what happened, right? So I was watching Brie Cherie Plans, and she was almost at 1,000 subscribers, and she said that, hey, I didn't even think I was gonna make it to 1,000 subscribers, but here I am. And then she was like, if I can get here, why can't I make it to 5? And I was like, period, sis. So here we are, 5K subscribers. And now guys, I'm just gonna move on into the next one that's here. And as you guys can see, if you haven't figured out with the money and the airplane and the thing, some of y'all might guess it was like traveling, but it's not, guys. This one is actually for my saving challenges, because honestly, when I complete my saving challenges and when we done, I just feel bougie. I feel like I got money. I feel like I can do anything. I complete a saving challenge and that's the mood I get. I'm like, oh, okay. It's the one time I feel like I could be a stripper because I'll take the money shower. Okay, get into it though. Okay, right? So not gonna lie, this is another YouTube one. And I know y'all see the name, y'all see the, you know, the banner that's on the page. Thank you guys so much for everyone that subscribed, by the way. You guys are great. If you're new here, thank you for entertaining my shenanigans. But no, this one is not to get a new camera. It ain't. This one is actually to post videos. Like, listen, okay? Sometimes little baby get tired, and that's okay. But I get tired and I will just stop, and I'm just like, girl, that ain't the move. You gotta get it together. So this year I made a goal for me to post at least 2 videos per times the number of weeks there is in the year. So that would be 104 videos, and so that's my goal, to post 104 videos this year. So yes ma'am, that was that one. And then, as you can see me here struggling to put this on because my Cricut wanna cut it, this one is to actually get my associate's degree. Now I'm in the military. They have this thing called a CCAF, which is the Community College of the Air Force, and it gives you a associate's degree. And so that is my goal. Listen, little baby, I can only do what I can. I hate school. Like, the passion of hate that I have for school is so real. I hate school. But I was like, sis, it's 2021. You ain't got no excuse. I'm still thinking it's 2020. Come on now, sis. It's probably because we're still in it. But yeah, for 2021, that's the goal, so I can get this degree and, better myself, move on from it, get the hurt a little bit, and that's it. But it's cool. So the next thing that I put on here is a bunch of pictures of things that I actually want to do, and then some things that's a maybe do. So I want to try new things. I'm very inside. I'm very much don't try new things. I'm very stick-to-itive. So I'm saying that I need to try different stuff. One of the things I want to try is like clay making. Like, oh my gosh, like I think it would be so cute. Like, I want to learn how to make clay. I think it would be fun. Like, I like to try. Listen, okay, that's just me and my cup of tea. Like, I just be trying weird random stuff, but like I feel like I should just try new things. So that is one of my goals on here. I'm trying to cut it short a little bit because I can talk forever about the goals. So the next thing I put on here was a car, and that's self-explanatory. Your girl is moving from South Korea and she gonna need a vehicle, okay? I'm gonna be selling the one here, so I'm gonna need a new vehicle. So getting a new vehicle is on the list of things to do for 2021. And not just any vehicle, a debt-free vehicle. Cause what if we's a budgeting channel and we do's this, baby? We true to this, we ain't new to this. So I need me a car debt-free. No car payments, cause that's how we gonna be. It's 2021. All right, let's move on. So what I just put up there after the car was some vegetables and some fruits, guys. Honestly, I want to learn how to garden. Like, being over in Korea, guys, if you ever saw a American chicken wing and a Korean chicken wing, you can see how much processed food we actually consume. You can see how much like things are put into our food to enhance it. And I was just like, that ain't the move. That ain't it. So I want to grow my own food. I want to learn how to grow my own food, aka get a new skill to do better. So that is the reason for my vegetables and my fruits, because you know what? You do better when you know better. So that's the move of 2021. The last thing that I put on here before you guys see me open this Sharpie, which is this, these are some silver Sharpies that I got to decorate this. And I got, back to my last goal of 2021. So the last goal of 2021 is to start a business. Listen, okay? There's so much stuff that I have that I can start a business with, and I need to make myself great, be productive, have multiple streams of income. Like that's all 2021, like increasing everything, like growth, wealth, financial knowledge, just saying school knowledge, but if there's like a course or something, yes, but that is the goal of 2021, is to start our business. That's why I have Call Me CEO, okay? Period. So yeah, guys, those are my 10 goals of 2021. And now I'm making these squiggly cute lines because you know what? Squiggly, what's up? Y'all look at me. Look at me. I'm about to sign my name. Watch me. Ooh, that's AnekeAnnakay, baby. Okay. when Michelangelo finished his artwork, you know, he put his name on it. So what I did, I put my name on it because that's what we doing. This is my vision board and my artwork. I put my name on it, okay? This is my 2021 vision board. Like I said, guys, if you want to know exactly, well, if you want to use all the stuff that I did, it will be linked down in the description box below, and you guys can use it. Okay, a lot of this stuff came from Pinterest. Let me not lie. All of this stuff came from, I'm just playing, nah, but seriously, 95% of the stuff on here came from Pinterest. The only thing that I might have some sort of difference on was the supplies to actually make the board. So yeah, but all I'm doing right now is I'm just like looking at it, see the space and everything, and I'm putting the gold title to the pictures on the board itself. So yeah, guys, this was basically my vision board. I'm super excited for it. Listen, 2020 has changed my life for the better. Even though we were going through a pandemic and Roro was acting up, like, it has really changed my life for the better with this budgeting community, with doing YouTube, with finding something that I like, which, you know, understanding what I can and can't do. Like, it's been such a blessing to be able to even say that I'm blessed to be alive today, to be able to say that I can have a vision for 2021, because a lot of people, guys, did not have that opportunity. A lot of people right now are not able to even have things to eat. And so I'm just grateful, like, honestly, like, seriously, just grateful. And so, yeah, thank you to everyone that clicked the subscribe button. Thank you to everyone who hit a like button. Thank you to everyone who left a comment, you know, who shared it with a, you know, a fam, a friend, and a ho, or just your foe. And I just appreciate you guys. Thank you to this budgeting community for, like, when you down, they stand by you. When you up, they stand by you. Thank you guys for just standing by, you know, for just being there when your girl needed you or needed you in my darkest hour. Okay, I posted on my story on Instagram, which is AnekeAnnakay. I posted, I said, hey, ain't nobody support you like a friend you ain't never met on the internet. Like, a friend you met on the internet, they will support you forever, okay? And I just want to thank everyone that showed me support, that helped me through this year. I could list everybody, but you know, we ain't got no time. The video's about to end, so yeah. But this, guys, is my vision board. I hope that you guys were inspired. I hope that you guys, you know, tried it out. If you did, let me know down in the comments box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Matter of fact, I'll see you tomorrow, okay? All right, bye, guys.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.